Hi everyone, this is Jeff Anthony, the General Manager here at Palm Harbor Homes in front of the factory in Fort Worth. I have a great opportunity for you to purchase one of our pre-orders and have it delivered to you by next month. And that home would be the Fantasy Island. Now the Fantasy Island offers 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, 1458 square feet. Home features such as 8.5 flat ceilings, wood box beams in the kitchen and dining room, open pipe shelving, upgraded Thermozone 2 insulation package, but most of all, not pictured here, is the 72-inch Sentel shower with our famous shower tower. With backlogs being over 6 months, you have a unique opportunity to purchase this home and have it delivered next month. Now, in case that you don't have a location to put this home on, I have great news for you. One of our preferred community partners has reached out to me and let me know that they have a lot open specifically for this home. They're willing to offer you a $2,500 move-in special if you happen to fall in love with it, which you should because it's located in Keller, Texas. We here will go ahead and match the $2,500 if you purchase by the end of this month. You can use that as far as a price reduction or to add other features in your home, such as a 55-inch TV with a washer and dryer. All you gotta do is give us a call at 817-766-4250. Financing is available. We hope to see you soon.